factory wheels. How Germany builds a Mercedes-Benz.
All right, bring it back another 2 feet.
Ramp is clear. Bring the car down slowly.
Attention all personnel. Please ensure the safety pathway is clear. The automated transport system is active.
Precision engineering creates the perfect form for the new Mercedes-Benz. Welding sequence complete. Quality control initiated.
Mercedes-Benz door frame scan complete. Precision validated at 0.01 millimeters.
Phosphating sequence complete. Proceeding to drying. Welcome to the future of automotive painting. Our synchronized robots ensure a flawless, mirror-like finish every time. The thickness here is exactly 102 microns. Data logged.
Is the main connector secured?
Yes, clicked in right here.
Okay, check the routing on the left side.
Windshield installation complete. Quality check commencing on line 4. The seating unit is now fully secured and tested. The tolerances are exact. Alignment is perfect.
Confirmed.
All right, so we're sliding the polished pipes right under the rear axle here. Got to make sure the alignment is perfect before we tighten the clamps.
Air suspension active. Vehicle rising to optimal height.
It's crucial to torque the lug nuts precisely to the manufacturer's specified meters, ensuring optimal safety.
The sound of precision engineering coming to life.
Here in the testing facility, the E-Class sedan undergoes the ultimate water intrusion challenge. High-pressure jets.
The system is currently running the calibration sequence. Watch how the matrix LEDs precisely adapt the light pattern.
As you can see, the sensor detects the sudden downpour and activates the wipers automatically.
With 4 colors of dynamic ambient lighting, you can tailor the perfect atmosphere for every drive.
Burmester 3-dimensional surround sound system check active.
Final torque check complete. All bolts verified.
3.5 millimeters. Perfect.
Applied with surgical precision, our ceramic coating bonds instantly, creating an ultra-hydrophobic barrier that repels water and grime.
Draping the vehicle in our ultra-soft satin. It hugs every contour, leaving only the wheels visible. The future of driving has arrived. Experience the new standards of luxury.
Alles in Ordnung. Checked and released.
Securely transported, the new S-Class is arriving at the dealership.
Keep coming straight, slowly now.
Perfect, bring it right up to the entrance.
Congratulations on the new car.
It's stunning. I can't believe it's mine.
As you approach, the vehicle recognizes your presence, illuminating the path forward.